Welcome to my channel. Please help to like, subscribe, and share. Buying profitable land can be a great investment opportunity, but it can also be a daunting task. Here are some tips on how to buy profitable land. 1. Determine your budget. Before you start looking for land, you need to determine how much you can afford to spend. This will help you narrow down your search and prevent you from wasting time looking at properties that are out of your price range. 2. Research the area. Once you have a budget in mind, it's time to research the area where you want to buy land. Look for areas that are experiencing growth, have a strong economy, and are in high demand. This will increase the chances of your land appreciating in value over time. 3. Consider the type of land. There are many different types of land, such as agricultural, commercial, residential, and recreational. Determine what type of land you want to invest in based on your budget and goals. 4. Hire a real estate agent. A real estate agent can help you find profitable land that meets your needs and budget. They can also provide valuable insight into the local market and help you negotiate a fair price. 5. Inspect the land. Before making an offer, it's important to inspect the land to ensure that it's suitable for your intended use. This may involve hiring a surveyor, geologist, or other professionals to assess the land's condition and potential. 6. Consider zoning and regulations. Make sure you understand the zoning regulations and any other regulations that may affect your use of the land. This can include environmental regulations, building codes, and other local laws. 7. Evaluate potential uses. Consider the potential uses for the land and how you can generate income from it. This may include renting it out, developing it, or using it for farming or other commercial purposes. 8. Secure financing. If you need financing to purchase the land, make sure you have a solid plan in place to repay the loan. This may involve securing a mortgage, working with a private lender, or using other financing options. 9. Negotiate a fair price. Once you've found the land you want to buy, it's time to negotiate a fair price. Work with your real estate agent to determine a fair offer based on the land's value and potential. 10. Close the deal. Once you've agreed on a price, it's time to close the deal. This involves signing a purchase agreement, transferring funds, and completing any other necessary paperwork. Buying profitable land can be a great investment opportunity, but it requires careful research, planning, and negotiation. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of finding profitable land that meets your needs and budget. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.